Good morning, beta.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
Fine, sir.
Fine. So your board examination is going on, na?
Yes, sir.
You are studying in class 12.
Yes, sir.
So your examination is center is RPM Academy, Kaudiram.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I want to take test. Next subject is biology. I want to take the biology test. Can you tell me why testis descended into the scrotum before the birth?
Testis descended before the birth. In the scrotum. It provides less temperature below the body, 2 to 3 degrees Celsius, and the temperature of the body, 37 degrees Celsius. Then spermatogenesis process is the process. Then sperm are formation into the testis. Then it won't. It is the process demand below the less temperature of the body, and the spermatogenesis process formation of the sperm. Then scrotum are descended out of the body into the abdominal cavity.
Okay. Hmm. Next question, tell me. What is the function of Leydig cells?
Leydig cells.
Yes.
Leydig cells formation of the male sex organs testosterone. It is present in the seminiferous tubule.
Okay. What is the significant function of the interstitial cells of the testis?
Interstitial cells are also called the Leydig cells. It is the main function to form the formation of the male sex organs, Leydig cells.
Okay. Mention one positive and one negative application of amniocentesis.
One positive application of the amniocentesis, it is the detection. It is provide to the detection of the genetic disorders in the pregnancy, and it is negative application that it can sometimes it can knowing the sex of the pregnancy in the embryo, and it can if the embryo are completely good, but it can ruthlessly destroyed sometimes after knowing the sex.
Okay, next question is name any two copper releasing IUDs. How do they act as a effective constructive in the human females?
Copper IUDs. It is the type of contraceptive pills and contraceptive methods. It secretes the secretes the progesterone and estrogen that can suppress the mobility of the sperm, and the sperm are not able to fertilize the ovum.
Okay, very good. Okay. Other question, other chapter is also prepared.
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you tell me difference between linkage and crossing over?
Linkage is the linkage is the type of chromosomes in the alleles that can transfer if the two or more chromosomes are present in the alleles, and then it can transfer into the next generation through the genetic. Then it can after the after the in the next generation, they both are chromosomes are linked together, then it can linkage, it's called a linkage. And crossing over, the two or more chromosomes are linked together in the generation, and then it can transfer in the another generation. Then if the chromosomes are separated, then it can crossing over. The pairs of the chromosomes are change the genetic material, then it can crossing over.
Okay. Okay, beta, means your preparation is well, na?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me what is your future plan?
My future planning is after the 12th, I just want to become a doctor. Firstly, I want to fill up the form of the NEET, and I will be appearing in the NEET examination.
Yes, yes. Okay. So you are preparing
Yes,
for that? Okay. You want to become doctor, eh?
yes,
So there is a three subject: biology, chemistry, and physics.
Physics. Yes, sir.
So you have to prepare 100%, na?
Yes.
11, 12 is a very very important, है ना?
Yes,
According to that you are studying.
yes, sir.
Okay. Very good. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Welcome, sir.